can guys and girls be just friends?
That's the answer. Did you hear it? They know that it's not just friends. They know that it goes beyond that. One thing leads to another, a third, a fourth. So Allah Almighty says, you just close the door. If you have to communicate, and we would have to at any given point, it's not like communication with the opposite sex is prohibited, but you need to know your lines and your limits. You need to know what to cross, what not to cross. You need to know not to get into a position where you could be abused in any way, shape or form. And that's why, as intelligent as we think we are, he is right when he says heartbreaks are caused because we've donated or given our hearts to people who are vampires or jackals, without us knowing sometimes. And what did they do? They abused it, used it, threw it away, and still said, thank you very much, astaghfirullah. So therefore, we'd rather close that door and we do whatever we do within the limits that Allah Almighty